Hi Dooneynistas, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel. Or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video, guys, is going to be a unboxing of some items that I picked up during the Memorial Day sale, if I'm not mistaken. It's been a couple weeks. So they had an awesome sale, so I picked up a few things to add to my collection. So first, let me share with you the jewelry that I am wearing today. The bracelet that I am wearing is from none other than the Otter Spirit. If you've been following me, you know that I have done frequent collaborations with the Otter Spirit. They are a company based out of California. And guys, they are known for animal conservation, specifically the California sea otter. So what I love about the Otter Spirit is that they advocate to advance coastal water quality and habitat protections that support California's southern sea otter populations and the ecosystems that they depend on. I think that that says a lot about a company. So right now, guys, they are participating in the Otter Project, where they are donating $1 for every bracelet and $3 for every pack of bracelets. So that tells a lot about the company, that they are taking some of their profits and donating it to animal conservation. So that in itself is awesome. So the bracelet that I'm wearing today is the tiger's eye. And guys, this is one of the most beautiful gemstones that I've seen. It has a iridescent type look to it. And I will say that it does resemble a tiger's eye. What I love about the earthly color of the tiger eye is that it symbolizes the energy of the earth, which can bring you clarity, and it can help unblock unwanted energies. It's also a very powerful stone that helps with physical and emotional being. It also fortifies the blood, it balances the endocrine system, and it's also known to alleviate depression. So with the tiger's eye stone, guys, it can wash away any negative energy and promote self-confidence, motivation, and help you feel successful. So if you are interested in this beautiful bracelet or any of the beautiful stones that you've seen on my channel, I will leave a link below. And also I have a coupon code, which is Pecan20. So if you use that code, you can get 20% off of your total order. Okay guys, so let's get into the unboxing. So this box, I am not sure what is inside because I placed an order and it looks like that it was shipped in a few different boxes. So let's see. Okay. So, okay. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Here is a quick little sneak peek. So this is a bag that I do not own in my collection. I'm trying to step out of my box this year and go with some different types of leathers like pebbled leather, Saffiano leather, Wexford, which I don't own a Wexford yet, but I am trying to step outside of my box. Oh my goodness. The reason I chose this bag, the real reason, is because I wanted something in my collection that had these cute initials, the DB initials. So that's why I decided to go with this particular bag. So this is the Dooney & Bourke pebbled leather handle tote in the color bone. And oh my goodness, guys, this is a beauty. As you may know, there are several bags that have these charms on it. And so I know I had to have something in my collection with these charms. Okay, guys, oh my goodness. This is an absolutely beautiful bag. And guys, what I loved about this bag is the strap attachment. It attaches on the sides here versus on the handles like some of the bags, like the Zip Zip Satchel. but I absolutely love this satchel. And bone is one of those colors that got me started with Dooney and Bourke over 30 years ago. So this just brings back so many memories. So let's take a look on the inside. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a beauty. And it does have a detachable strap. Dust bag. Wow, wow, wow. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a gorgeous bag. So if you would like a what fits in my pebble leather handle tote, give the video a thumbs up and I will work on a what fits. You guys, oh my goodness, I am so upset at myself that I did not get more colors, but this is the first of this style in my collection, so I wasn't quite sure how I was going to like it, but oh my gosh, guys. So anyway, if you are interested in this bag, guys, I will leave a link below so you can check out all the beautiful colors that they have, and you might decide to pick up one of your own. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.